Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we will see how to make a very simple yet tasty fryum or known as vadams in Tamil using poha or aval. Try out these simple, crispy and easy to make poha fryums or aval vadam in the hot summers, and you can use it throughout the year whenever you want. Have it with your lunch or enjoy it at tea time like a pakoda. You can take medium or thick poha, that is the rice flakes or avalaki as we call it. First we will wash it thoroughly and bring it back. I have washed it 2 to 3 times and drained out most of the water. Now we have to just keep it aside for about 1 to 2 hours. Today I have taken only 250 grams of poha. So if you are a beginner, you can first make in a small quantity and try out, or in cup wise 3 of these cups. Now we will keep this aside. For making this vadam, I have taken a small piece of this white pumpkin or ashgourd. We have removed the central pulpy portion and the seeds, discard it. Now keep the skin on, don't need to scrape the skin, that is the peel, it can be on. Just cut it into tiny pieces like this. Now keep this also aside. Now take 2 to 3 green chillis, add of salt and we'll grind it into a paste. See, the poha or aval has become nice and soft. To this I am adding this green chilli and salt paste. Mix it well together. Also add in these chopped pieces of pushnika, that is white pumpkin. Mix it all well. I think it needs just a little more water, so I am just sprinkling a little bit. Add about half a teaspoon of hing. And 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Now just mix everything well together. Don't add too much water, we just need everything to come together. See, this is fine. Now we can go out and keep it in the sun. I'll show you how we do it. Here I have squeezed out the juice from 1 lemon. You can add it to this and mix it well together. Also, when you add salt, always remember to add slightly lesser quantity of salt, because once it is sun dried and when you fry, the salt will appear as more. So when you add slightly less salt, when you fry, the salt will be correct. Now take a clean white cloth. See, it is wet. I had dipped it in water and squeezed out the water. Dip your hands in water. Don't add too much water to this. This should be just that it all comes together like this. That's all. So just dip your hand in water and take out small portions and lightly press. Just lightly press and leave it to dry. Very, very simple and easy to make. There is no cooking also involved in this, and you can enjoy it through the year. This has to dry in the hot sun for 4 to 5 days completely. Then when it is dry, I will fry it and show you. You can shape it whichever way you like, into oblongs like this or into small rounds, or even if you like, just tap it into small vadai shapes like this. That is also fine. Today is day 6. I allowed it to dry thoroughly for 5 days. You can hear the sound now, how well it has dried. Now heat some oil. and just fry a few vadams at a time. Fry it till they become nice and crisp. First heat the oil well, then while frying just reduce it to medium so that it doesn't burn. See, this batch is also done. Drain out the oil completely. Some people like to even cook some javarsi, that is sabudana or sago, and add to this. That also adds to the taste and it will fry a little more too. Or you can make it as I have done without sabudana. This is nice and crisp. It's very hot now. Let it cool down a little and I will show you. You can use it as an accompaniment to your lunch or even around tea time and you want a quick snack. You can eat this like a pakoda too. It tastes very good. See, I can show you how crisp it is. It's really nice and crisp. Two tips I want to tell you. One is, as I said earlier, don't make them very tight. Just lightly roll them and allow to dry. Another thing, don't make very big size. It will take a very long time to dry. So make them slightly smaller size. When you feel it is dried well, just take one or two and try to fry it in the oil and see. If you find that the center is still a little bit kacha, that is still raw, not frying well, then keep it in the sun for 2 more days. Then it will be perfect. Maybe you can try out with onions. I have not tried with onion. This is the traditional way we make it at home every year. On a lighter side, you cannot eat this vadam quietly because it is so crunchy. Everybody will know that you are eating it. Not much crunchy it is. So try out this easy to make simple fryum. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with the next episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.